My name is Eslam Elshahat. I'm a third-year PhD student in the Biosciences department. I study evolution, and I'm originally from Egypt. I visited the US in 2011 in a culture exchange program where we visited Houston, Austin, and DC. And when I visited the campus, I was like, oh, this is so cool. And I applied to Rice and I got in, so it all worked out. I'm basically interested in finding out what happens when two closely related species come together and what the new species will look like in terms of the genome. So 50 years ago, biologists used to look at like phenotypes, like hair color or eye color or skin color, but now we actually can go into the cell, zoom into like a small tiny bit of DNA and get tons of information from that sequence. So this kind of technology wasn't available like 15, 20 years ago. I work with big data. So the human genome have 3 billion base pairs, which are like very tiny building blocks of the human DNA. So if I try to do any of the tests, the computational tests that I do on my PC, it will die and crash in like 2 seconds. So I use the research cluster, which is a resource that's available by Rice. You can just like submit your little scripts online and go into the universe, and then the results come back like a few hours later, which is like awesome. So if I don't have this resource for my research, then it's gonna take me way longer to actually do what I do, or not doing it at all. I feel really lucky that I have the financial support from Rice because I don't have to worry about where my next paycheck is coming from. I can just focus on my work and research, but like having this financial support from Rice is like the best thing ever.